Today I'm going to show you how to make gradient text in Figma. This is a fantastic way to add visual interest and make your text stand out, whether you're designing a logo, a website header, or any creative project that needs that extra pop of color. First up, open your Figma application and then open a file or project where you want to create your gradient text. This could be an existing design you're working on or a brand new canvas. Once you're in your workspace, you're ready to start adding text. Look down at the bottom toolbar and click on the text icon. This tool lets you add text anywhere on your canvas. Go ahead and type anything you'd like. It could be a word, a phrase, or even just a test message to see how the gradient looks. The content doesn't matter right now. We're focusing on the styling. Now click on the text you just created to select it. This is important because it activates the text properties on the right side panel. Over on the right side of your screen, find the section labeled Fill. This is where all the magic happens. Under Fill, you'll see the current color applied to your text. Click on that color box to open up more options. Once you've clicked on the color, you'll notice a gradient icon appear. Go ahead and click on that gradient icon. This opens up a drop-down menu with several gradient options. You'll see choices like linear, radial, angular, and diamond. Each of these creates a different gradient effect, so feel free to experiment with all of them later. For this example, let's click on linear. This type of gradient creates a smooth transition from one color to another in a straight line, which is perfect for most text applications. It's clean, simple, and looks professional. After selecting linear, you'll see two color stops appear. These represent the starting and ending colors of your gradient. Click on each color stop to adjust the two colors to whatever you prefer. You can choose any colors from the palette or input specific hex codes if you have brand colors in mind. Play around with these until you find a combination that looks great. Now here's where it gets really interesting. You'll notice connected dots appearing on your text. These dots represent the direction and intensity of your gradient. You can click and drag these dots to adjust how the gradient flows across your text. Moving them will affect the angle and spread of the linear gradient. This gives you complete control over exactly how the colors blend across your letters. Try dragging them around to see how different positions create different effects. And that's it. You've successfully created gradient text in Figma. This simple technique can completely transform the look of your designs and add that professional polish you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.